What's up, y'all? It's tatycokley and I'm back for another video, and as you can see by the title, today we are getting into a full chit chat. Get ready with me. I haven't done one of these in such a long minute, so I'm excited to be back talking our ish. Okay, this one actually has like an extra little fun thing as well. We're doing a little, I mean not a little, it'll be like a mini haul, but basically we'll be using, okay, can we explain it better? Okay, so basically we're gonna do a little mini haul. I'm gonna pick the outfit that I'm gonna be wearing, and then y'all will be able to see me build this whole look. Okay. Also, a special shout out to Forever 21 for sponsoring this video. But first, if you've not subscribed to my channel yet, what are you doing? We're gonna give you a couple seconds to do that. Did you do it? Good. Now you can watch the video, and welcome to our family. Also, follow me on my socials. This is where you can participate in polls, all that fun stuff, or whatever. Let's just get into this. All right, y'all. I'm kind of like half in pajamas. Excuse me. Let me get into it. Yeah, get into it. This one caught my eye the most, so we're gonna try this one first. This is in a small. Okay, she's short. This is so cute, so short. Here's the back of it. I love this one. I think I also just really love yellow, like positive, happy vibes. She's one of the top contenders, but she's the first one we tried. So next, boom. Okay, if you guys see a little black under here, it's just my bra. I'm not trying to get demonetized. Okay, yeah, literally Barbie pink. Here's the back of it. It's like super tight but super stretchy, so I feel like comfortable to like move my legs around in it. Really breathable material. It's like cool. Stops like right above the knees for me, and I'm like 5'7", 5'8". Again, I feel like Forever 21 and their colors are like so vibrant. Next, boom. Yes, ma'am. I like this one. I think the lace on it makes it really sexy. Like, here's the back of it. Here is a little closer so you can see the detail a little better. It's just, I don't know. This one is kind of winning against the other one. Again, stretchy. Like, this is the contender right now. Next, boom. Once again, vibrant colors from Forever 21. They get it done with the colors. Nothing is ever like lacking on it. It is like an orange. It's more like a golden. She just ooh, I like this one. I don't know why. Y'all know I always get little cowl neck stuff and little satin things, but she little Next, okay, so this one needs an iron, but look at the little sides and the stuff. The only reason I'm holding it is because there's like 10 buttons and it took me forever to do it. My thumbs are sore, so I'm just gonna hold it so you can get the view. All right, like tied up like a corset. I love that. It gives you extra body. Next, I feel like a very Greek goddess, Roman medieval times, but in the best way. Here you can see the sleeves on it. It just makes me feel like divine feminine energy. They had this rope tied nicer, but y'all know I'm not the one for that, so this is the best I could do. It goes down to my ankles. It's like a floor length situation. Next, okay, y'all, another balloon sleeve moment. Y'all know it's my fave, so I'm not complaining about it. Beautiful neckline. I love doing the whole collarbone, chest, shoulder situation. A little bit of but in a little reserved way. And then I also got this skirt, which doesn't really go with the fit, so I want to show it like kind of separate, but it is so cute and nice and short in the back. Next, look how pretty this little skirt is. It's satin, it's shiny, it's yes. I like things like these with little t-shirts or tank tops. And I really like this one because it's tight on the top, so it gives you body. Next, okay guys, I also got these Bermudas. I just needed some good shorts. It's like nothing crazy, but super cute and frayed on the bottom as well. Okay, and then we got this bodysuit. Look how pretty this one is. Nice cross, gives you nice little chest situation. Again, stretchy, comfortable. I love neutral colors like this, so a contender. Next, okay, look at this one. Okay, so I thought I was gonna be like meh about it, but it's actually really cute. It has this little slit in it. I might press it, but I think I'm gonna keep this one on because I think it goes the best with like this neutral little look, like a little bit of gold. Just something light for the girls today. I'm not gonna be doing nothing but be in my backyard, so but make sure you guys let me know which one was your favorite in the comments. Okay, I also got these beautiful shoes. I love the structure. I don't know why I love the 3-ring heels. I think they're just like really sexy, so I would have put these on if I was going somewhere other than my backyard. I will be putting these on. Comfortable little flats, not doing anything, just a little bit up done. And then I also think I will put these on just to add a little pizzazz to the look. I forgot I also got these shorts. They're literally just like biker shorts. Like I could just put them under a t-shirt or just around the house, something like that. But yeah, just like super stretchy and comfortable, and of course vibrant colors. Okay y'all, so that is the look that we will be creating. So if you want to see that, keep watching. All right y'all, I already primed my face and stuff. Y'all know I just do that beforehand because girl, too much time. This girl right here, the Fit Me, I think mine is 332. Girl, don't quote me because I don't know if that's still my color now. What's up, guys? I feel like I haven't done a little like chit chat get ready with me in a minute. Did y'all miss me? Okay, so if y'all don't know, basically what we do in these little chit chats is talk about popular things going on and then learn from it, because I don't think there's purpose of just kiki without lesson. All right, and the first person on my docket is somebody I feel like I can give y'all a lot of lessons on. Okay, before we get into it, we're gonna use these Cover FX. I have G medium 2 and N medium 3. And I cleaned my brushes the other day. It's probably the cleanest y'all ever, well, maybe not. It's probably the cleanest y'all ever seen this brush. Same as always, the Bobbi Brown, I think it's, hello? Yeah, Skin Foundation Stick. Oh, now let's get into it. So, Miss Khloe K. Woo. If y'all have not seen the tea, there was speculation that Miss Ma'am was pregnant again by Tristan Thompson. Again. Of course, the internet did what the internet does and was like, again, after cheating and this whole thing. If y'all don't know the beginning, I can't even spend time to get into it. You could look that up if you're curious, but there was a whole scandal. So, of course, the internet ate it up. Jokes, memes, whatever. Miss Khloe ain't like that though. She said, y'all not about to play on my name no more. And the irony in that, we'll get into that. She was like, this is why I don't come on the internet. Y'all are cruel, like about something you're not even sure is true. You don't even see the irony here. That is like the funniest part of this. I say this to say, don't dish things that you cannot take back. Because Khloe ain't seemed to have no type of concern when she was putting Jordan on blast on Twitter and whatever other things, letting the world humiliate her. Again, there was no solid story on it because none of them were there. Never said, y'all, as much as this hurt me, please stop attacking this woman. This is not what I wanted to do. Nothing. But now, when your turn to be on the chopping block, you're upset. Sis, let me tell you something. What did our good sis Monique say? When you do clownery, the clown comes back to bite.
See, when you do clownery, the clown comes back to bite.
You gotta expect to eat that. Is it right for people to say that she's an idiot and she's this and that and talk down to her? No, people shouldn't be doing that to anybody. But regardless, you let people do that when you weren't the one in the hot seat. You facilitated it. You went that hard on that girl as if she owed you more. As if she owed you more than he did. And that's where we get messed up. So let's talk about side chicks. Do I condone side chick behavior? No. I don't think it's ever cute to be a side chick, but I also don't like the term homewrecker because of this. That woman wouldn't have been able to get in your home if he did not open the door. So who really wrecked it? Is it really her fault that he left the door open? Now, did she use her 2 legs and walk in? Yes, but could she have been able to do that if the door was locked and sealed? No. She did not owe Khloe as much as Tristan owed Khloe. And this is applicable to y'all's lives. This is why men are able to do the things that they're able to do, because y'all act like this. Imagine you're robbing a store. Somebody just held the bag for you. The cops come and pummel the person that is holding the bag for you. And you get to stand there like, ooh, dang, shouldn't have done that. You would be like, they not even gonna do nothing to me. It's my fault, I robbed the bank. That's how y'all look with these side chicks. When the side chick do something or you catch them and you come out swinging at the side chick and you don't do nothing to the boyfriend, he probably like, get her, get her. Stop fighting these side chicks. They don't owe you anything. He owed you loyalty. He owed you commitment, honesty, all of that. And he didn't give that to you. She's just a part of the problem. It could have been anybody. It's not her fault. It's his. You would rather sit there and be like, let's throw it on her. Let's throw it on the side chick, because I would hate to have to admit that my man did me wrong, because that would put me in a position where I know I need to leave, but I know I'm not gonna do it. Woo, bars. If you had to admit it was his fault and his fault primarily, you'd be in a position where you'd look like a clown if you stayed. Instead of having to admit you want to be on clown behavior, let's say she's the clown. It's her fault, homewrecker. Girl, y'all better wisen up. You look silly. You look very silly. You getting your hands dirty, getting your hair pulled, doing all this stuff with another girl for what he's done. Must be out your mind. Must be out your mind. Going in with my Fenty Beauty banana powder. Now let's talk about Mr. Blueface. Child, if y'all ain't seen that video, basically, I don't know if it was a golf club He's recording her smashing the sliding, like, you know what I'm talking about, the sliding window doors. She trying to break through it while her son with him is watching on the inside of the house. He's like, what's wrong with mommy? What's wrong with mommy? And then Blueface like, I don't know, what's wrong with your mommy? Child. All that over Blueface, baby. Now listen, we wasn't there. I don't know what was said, I don't know what was done. I don't know why she would act out that way. But what I do know is when you have a child, they do not forget these things. I saw a thread on Twitter talking about, like, people saw the video and they were like, I remember seeing my parents fight one time and I never forgot it. Like, there's stuff like that. It affects him, especially he's so little. Baby girl, that's where we take things too far. Unless that man did something to hurt your baby and you needed to get inside to get him back, no. That's what I thought at first. I'm like, you know what, maybe he did something with the kid and she trying to break in the house to get the kid back. But then I seen she was just breaking stuff. She was just smashing windows and doing stuff with the car, and I'm like, in front of the kid? We need to get anger management. You know what's crazier? You not gonna catch me wilding out over a dude and he is that calm. I have never seen somebody as calm as Blueface in the face of chaos. He just be like, man, I don't know what's going on. What's going on with your mom? While she like, rah! So let me tell you this, do not have kids if this is how you will be in front of them, because you cannot control your emotions. That's why for me personally, when y'all are like, when are we gonna get kids? When are you okay having kids? Not for a long time, because I want to make sure I'm in a very emotionally stable place. I've learned a lot about life, and I've learned so much about life now, but there's so much more I can learn. I want to make sure I learn all of those things. I'm so in touch with my emotions that I can help my child be in touch with theirs, and I can be an emotionally responsive and present parent. These things are important. I don't ever want to be in a position where I could lash out like that. Do I think I'm like that now? No, but I want to make sure. But that brings me to also, you need to be able to manage your emotions and things like that adequately before even getting into a relationship. Screw a kid, a relationship. There is no reason you should be spazzing out like that. If you cannot effectively communicate without using your hands, you don't need to be with anybody right now. You need to get a therapist. And that's no shade. Therapy, that's another thing. I don't know why when people bring up therapy, they think it's like a shady thing. It's not a shady thing. This is a helpful thing. Therapy shouldn't have such a stigma on it where it's like, if you get in therapy, you crazy. Like, that's a diss. No, it's not, girl. I'm telling you, this can help you be a better you, especially because it's not like they don't got the funds to do it. Girl, you could get a top-notch therapist right now. You need it. Becca, Ipanema son, if you're the type of person that just indulges in whatever emotion you're feeling at that moment, that's not okay. It's very important to be in touch with your emotions, and it's also very important to let yourself feel them. So if you're feeling angry, you don't need to be like, ooh, and try to suppress it so bad. And if you're feeling sad, cry. Like, it's okay. You should let your emotions come out. It's actually detrimental to do the opposite. But when you overindulge in the emotion, when you have no type of control over the emotion, no boundary, no nothing, problems. You can't be the type of person, I mean, you can be, but things like this will happen. You can't be the type of person that just like, if you're feeling an emotion, overindulge, no boundaries. I'm gonna feel this for as long as I want and do whatever because of it. Where's the self-control? Where is the off button? Becca, Songbird Blush. Do you know how many emotions a relationship will pull out of you? Now imagine trying to do that successfully while having no emotional intelligence or control. Going in with my Becca highlight and champagne pop. I promise I will switch my products up eventually, but child, don't fix something that's not broken. Jacking out a palette. Going in with ginger in the crease. As always, y'all just gotta normalize knowing when you're wrong. Y'all need to normalize knowing when, like, hey, I need help. Hey, I'm not ready for this. Hey, like, this isn't going well. You will have to notice these red flags. Okay, we are way too toxic. Okay, we are way too aggressive with each other. We do not know how to talk to each other. Maybe we are not meant for each other right now. We need to do internal work. Those are things you have to normalize. Stop, like, trying to force things to work with people so bad when it's so evident that it's not working. You know, she's kind of cute without any lash. I won't even hold you. I won't even hold you. This is the Big Ego from Tarte. All right, guys, I'm gonna set this with my Urban Decay. Then I showed you guys my Holy Grail combo before. It's the Burt's Bees tinted chapstick in their lip oil. Y'all better not run this out. And you have this cute little glossy combo. Okay, so now this is all done. So now I am going to, I guess we can take my hair out. Also, curly girls, you should put your hair in a cotton t-shirt or a what is that damn thing called? You know what I'm talking about, like a specific like fiber towel instead of a regular towel, because it will frizz it up. I think what I'm gonna do right now is diffuse it, and then we might just do a half up, half down or something, girl. I'm tired. Okay, I've decided I just want to put it half up, half down because my hair is a mess. So I'm just gonna let it be like this. Okay, y'all, so this is what I came up with. Super lazy, but it does the job. So that was the whole get ready with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. But first, you know, I have to give my comment shout out of the week. This week's shout out goes to Marissa Danae. Here's her page. I saw your comment on my last video, and I just wanted to let you know that I love you so, so much, and that will never change. Okay, guys, so make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, turn your post notifications on. You got a lot to do. You better get to it. And I will see y'all in my next one.